Hello and welcome to VidMah. I'm Anamul. Today, we dive into AI podcasting, is transforming content creation.
Is complex recording a thing of the past? In 2025, AI makes podcasting easier, faster, and truly extraordinary.
Cover what AI podcasting is, its importance for creators, and how PodGorilla is a game changer. Let's explore the future.
Hello and welcome back to VidMah. I'm Thompson. After our 10-episode deep dive into PodGorilla Mastery, we've shown you how AI effortlessly transforms content creation. But what if this power could directly transform your bank account? Whether you're a seasoned freelancer, a passionate content creator, an ambitious entrepreneur, or an aspiring podcaster, a common question emerges. How can I leverage these incredible tools to generate significant income, say 10, 0 per month? Or even more? Today, in this special bonus episode, we're laying out your definitive blueprint. We're talking Unlock 10K plus month. PodGorilla for freelancers, creators, entrepreneurs. Get ready to discover how your existing profession, amplified by PodGorilla, can become a powerhouse for profit. Let's start with freelancers. The gig economy is booming, and clients are hungry for quality content. Here's how PodGorilla becomes your ultimate competitive advantage.
Absolutely, Thompson. One of the most lucrative avenues is offering podcast creation as a service. With platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even private clients, you can create full professional-grade podcast episodes. The best part? You don't need to spend hours on recording or editing, making it an efficient service to offer.
Exactly. Think about it this way. You can charge anywhere from $150 to $300 per episode. With PodGorilla, you could easily produce 2 to 3 episodes per day. Scale that up over a month, and you've got the potential to create up to 60 episodes.
Right. And doing the math, even on the lower end, it's quite promising. You're looking at $400-500 for 30 episodes? Scale up your client base, and hitting 10K or more becomes very realistic.
And let's not forget about the overhead costs. With PodGorilla, your expenditure is minimal, which means your profit margins are significantly higher.
Another great service is content repurposing. Many clients already have blogs, videos, or articles that they're looking to expand upon. PodGorilla's capabilities allow you to easily turn those into podcast episodes, expanding their reach.
Plus, there's the potential for voiceover services. With AI voices and even voice cloning, you can offer high-quality voiceovers for a myriad of client needs, like explainer videos, ads, or even audiobooks.
These are amazing ways to diversify income as a freelancer. Now, switching gears to content creators and podcasters, Thompson, how does PodGorilla elevate their monetization strategies?
Great question, Brian. For content creators, PodGorilla is a game changer in terms of volume and consistency. You can effortlessly publish daily or multiple times a week, which is key for fast audience growth.
And more content means more opportunities for various monetization paths, right?
Exactly. Affiliate marketing is one such path. Integrate affiliate offers into your podcasts and increase clicks and sales as you produce more episodes. This diversification boosts your income while providing valuable content to your audience.
Alongside, as your audience grows, so does your appeal to sponsors, leading to lucrative sponsorship deals. Plus, there's the opportunity to promote your own products, whether that's courses, ebooks, or merchandise, directly building authority and trust with your listeners.
You know, one of my favorite aspects of this tool is the time it frees up. Since PodGorilla automates so much of the heavy lifting, creators can focus on marketing, audience engagement, and developing new products, directly feeding into their income potential.
Which brings us to entrepreneurs and small businesses. How can they leverage PodGorilla for growth without burning through their marketing budgets?
By launching niche podcasts, businesses can establish authority in their sector, driving lead generation and nurturing potential clients. It's a cost-effective way to create marketing assets without the typical expenses of production teams or complex software management.
Additionally, you can use podcasts to demonstrate products, share testimonials, or announce new features. These stories and reports subtly but effectively push sales and client engagement.
The real takeaway here is that PodGorilla breaks down the traditional barriers to content creation. It lowers costs, returns time, and boosts output, translating directly to increased income potential across numerous fields.
Whether you're providing a service, showcasing products, or building a brand, hitting that 10K per month is an achievable milestone with PodGorilla as your tool.
Now, let's take a quick break, and we'll return after this brief message.
Ready to create stunning podcasts effortlessly? Introducing PodGorilla, the revolutionary AI-powered platform. Generate professional podcasts without writing or recording a word. Maximize reach with automated content. Seamless publishing to Spotify and YouTube. Plus video conversion for social media. Stop struggling, start creating. Visit vidmah.com PodGorilla today and revolutionize your audio and video content creation.
And that wraps up our special bonus episode on Unlock 10K Plus Month. PodGorilla for freelancers, creators, entrepreneurs. We've shown you that leveraging PodGorilla's power isn't just about making content. It's about building scalable income streams and achieving financial freedom in your chosen profession.
The blueprint is clear. Now it's your turn to act. If you're ready to master PodGorilla and start your own journey to significant earnings, we encourage you to watch our full 10-episode PodGorilla Mastery series. It covers every single detail you need to get started and succeed.
Thank you for joining us on VidMah for this empowering discussion. Don't forget to subscribe to the VidMah channel for more insights into video marketing and digital content. Like, share, and comment to keep the conversation going. All the links and resources discussed throughout this series are available in the description.
Wraps up our today's insightful episode. I hope you now understand AI podcasting's potential and PodGorilla's power. We've just begun exploring its future. Follow our 10-episode series, subscribe to VidMah, like, share, and comment to stay with us. All links in the description. Click or visit to learn more. Thanks for tuning in.